Hey, how's it going? My name is Jonathan Fonda. I teach the Auto Body and Collision program at Orange County Technical College, South Campus. A day in the life of an auto body collision tech, we could be doing welding, we could be plastic welding, we could be finishing or repairing a vehicle, or we could be painting. There's a lot of opportunity in this course, even estimating. This course is a 1,400-hour course. The dual enrollments are going to be here for an hour and a half a day. They come in, they're expected to work on certain body parts, whether it be a hood, a fender, or even a door skin. But a day can consist of repairing a vehicle or painting a vehicle, but all is in a day's work. And the uniforms in this course consist of wearing the proper PPE, right? So if we're sanding, we want to make sure they're wearing an N95 mask and we have the proper gloves on. We do provide that for you in this course. One thing that we do expect you to have is the uniforms, the blue and black uniforms that we have. The blue and black uniforms show that you're ready to work and that you're ready to make sure your clothes don't get dirty. So make sure you're always wearing the proper PPE. You always want to make sure you're wearing closed-toed shoes and long pants as well. You want to make sure that there is no sparks or any sort of shaving material that gets caught on your skin. There's a lot of chemicals we do use in this course, so making sure that you wash your hands as well as wear gloves is the best thing possible for you. I can't wait to see you guys here.